Good evening. My name is Ramya Pandian. You know that already since you're on my profile. And it's Wednesday night, so I'm waiting for what has become my usual Wednesday night special. And there's our first follower. Hi, Adira. Thank you for being here. My date will be here shortly. My date today is this very, very interesting person that I've had the good fortune to know for 24 years now. Anytime now is probably our 24th anniversary. I don't really remember the exact date, but it's roughly around now because I remember it was right after the new term of college had just started. So since colleges usually start sometime in July, we are in August now. Hi Sadaf and hello Kripa. What's up? So we are waiting for my date, who is bang on target and late. She was late the first time I met her as well, but that's a story we'll share together once she is in the room. Hi Anuradha, thank you for being here. Waving to everyone here. Give it a minute and she should be here. Hi Devroop, and she's in the house, so I'm going to add her. Do you hear that dramatic music? That's for now. So this dramatic music is playing as she's going to come in. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Hi Anu. And there she is! Drum roll! Hi Sean!
Hello, hello. I'm
Hello.
here.
Do you hear the music?
I do, and I like.
Pink Floyd is our jam, right?
Yes, very much. Oh, by the way,
So
did you attend the only concert that Roger Waters did in Mumbai? When
ये
he
क्या
came to
पूछने
Mumbai?
वाली बात है? पूछने वाली बात है. How long have you known me?
But then, how did I miss you? Because I was there and you were there, and we missed each other.
Because you know, contrary to our perception, there are like some zillion people in Mumbai who like Pink Floyd and
Yeah,
Roger
I
Waters.
know, but we should have naturally gravitated towards each other, na then.
Yeah, maybe we even did, but it was so dark. I think maybe we might have bumped into each other. Hi Nihal. So finally we are here and started. Is it too loud? Is the music too loud?
No, I think I can hear you just fine, so it should be all right.
How do I look?
Very nice. I like. Actually, my pajamas are matching your top. Actually, well, not.
So you need to move the camera down slightly.
Hang
So
on, hang on,
right now I
hang
can
on.
see like
Wait. Can you see?
you're like
Look, hang
this.
on.
You're like this.
Look.
Like this.
Yeah, look.
Oh
You can
wow.
see my pajamas.
Wow.
See?
Oh, those are actually very cool. Those are Fab India, क्या?
Yeah. See? नहीं रे कहाँ रास्ते का माल क्या फैब इंडिया
Do you remember Bandra when Bandra used to be Raste Ka Maal? Of course you remember.
Oh yeah, of course I did. That's why we did a junior college shopping. Na?
I mean, degree college also. Okay, I was not Malamal till, I mean, I was never Malamal, but I didn't have like money to enter, औकात नहीं थी to enter into बड़े shops and all till.
अरे degree college में I had given up shopping. By the time I got to degree college, I had given up shopping. मतलब नहीं ये रास्ते का माल मेरे को, you know, it is so bloody irritating. Whenever we went to the रास्ते का माल, हाँ भैया जी वो जूता दिखा ना, मैडम ना वो आपके साइज में नहीं है, आपके जेंट सेक्शन में मिलेगा.
Same. Like, should I lift up my foot and show like?
we're like, yeah, I know foot buddies wear. आपके साइज का नहीं, जेंट सेक्शन में मिलेगा. अरे मेरे को जेंट्स जूता चाहिए तो मेरे को पूछ लेती ना, तेरे को जेंट्स जूता चाहिए.
हाँ तो वो jeans वाला जूता even I was wearing all through college years ना, the sports shoes and then the boots and everything.
So irritating.
I was just kind of thinking about since you know we are doing this thing and all थोड़ा agenda
Hey,
के
by
साथ
the way, I like your hair, I must say. Very nice.
Thank you,
growing
thank
it
you,
up?
thank you. I don't have a choice, you know, pandemic चल रहा है, so you know, like someone it's like mask,
No, but
shield.
at least it's growing. You know, my hair just so there's this thing with my hair, it just grows out. It doesn't grow long. मतलब it waits for a week until I come back from the hairdressers and then it grows out of style. मतलब तू जैसे भी
ऐसा.
style कर ले, हाँ, it will just grow out and that's it. It won't grow long.
So I mean, I'm lucky that way. I think my hair is a bit like me. It is an attention hound. So on camera, it tends to look nicer than it actually is. Like you can't see my white feathers, you can't see the bald patches unless like I show you. And so
So famously, one of my hi Ruchi. So one of my friends used to famously call me Krusty the Clown from Simpsons. You've seen that Krusty wala hairstyle, no?
yeah, कुछ भी nonsense. But
Seriously,
let's
it used to
get
be.
back to like let's get back to the things that we are girls. So the girl talk that we usually do. I
Yeah.
was actually
Oh, by
thinking
the way,
about.
did you share the story of how we met with everybody or no?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not
Not
yet.
yet.
But thoda
Okay.
मतलब like आराम से like let me do this like
Hi
okay
Bhakti.
whenever
So
you.
these are all my schoolmates, by the way, Ruchi, Bhakti, and all. I went to school
So
with
I
them.
think I know Bhakti
Prashant,
because Bhakti and I were
Prashant,
in
you would have
Mexico
met.
together, right?
Yes,
No,
Prashant, you would have met. Prashant, you met at my place.
sorry, I don't remember. Sorry.
I think you met Prashant at my place, possibly. No, you met Prashant for my birthday.
Which
On my
birthday of yours did I
birthday,
attend?
my
Which birthday of
40th
yours did
birthday.
I attend?
My 40th.
Oh, that correct. I remember I attended that
Yeah,
birthday. Correct.
yeah,
मैं
you
सोच
did.
when you like the last time when you
बहुत
lived in
पुराना
Bombay.
वाला है नहीं no वो बहुत पुराना वाला है not even I don't remember who attended.
Because I do remember coming to one. So by the way, I have to take credit. So Rajni, for those of you who don't know, is a published author, twice published author with a third book in the works, which she will get to plug eventually.
I hope
But
so.
I'm going to take full credit for your being a writer. You know why?
Why?
Because back in the 90s when Rajni and I became friends, and before there were mobile phones and you know when दूर दूर तक हमको चल के जाना पड़ता था. No, not really, but basically I would go and visit Rajni. And I
Yes.
lived on the east and she lived on the west. And if any of you have ever lived in Bombay, then you know Andheri is another planet altogether. So I used to traverse the entire length of east and west just to go and meet this woman. And I'd go over to her place. And one of those times, and we just like, I think call and say, want to meet. And then she'd say, huh, cool. And it was always assumed. I always was the one coming to her place.
Yeah, I
But
know.
then in all
But
fairness,
in all
you
honesty, we had some cooler places to hang out near my place.
we never hung out anywhere other than in your home. Okay. So
Yeah, I
तेरे
know.
घर पे ही and there were no cool places because there were no CCD and Mocha and all, and I don't think we had enough pocket
अरे
money to go and
we were
spend.
too uncool for that CCD and Mocha. एक तो पैसा भी नहीं था तभी. We were like one
I
of those
swear, exactly.
appointment types, you know those.
You know where we used to hang out? We used to hang out in the bus stop. After the visit was over, you would come and stand at the bus depot with
Yeah,
me,
I
which
used to
now
wear-
has a mall. Which now has a mall which is never taken off. So it is a Khali wala
Seriously?
mall.
Oh,
Yes.
there's a mall
Yes.
there. Oh.
हाँ but खाली वाला मॉल लाइक दुकान भी नहीं है जनता भी नहीं है वहाँ पे सिर्फ बिल्डिंग है
Okay.
And the buses
Ah,
go around.
I know that one of those ghost mall types, na?
Correct.
Okay.
And उसके पीछे there is all the cool places were in the west. Yes, but unfortunately neither Rajni nor I knew about them. Sean is sick. So hi Sean. So one of those visits I was at your place and I think you just kind of like very casually just said, that is my room. And I'm like, oh okay. And then I think we walked around inside like the tiny space that is a Mumbai room.
Correct.
And there were some papers lying on your table, and I just picked up one of them because manners to nahi hai mujh mein. I picked up one of them and started reading, and there was something you had scribbled. And I said, oh, nice handwriting and all. And then I read everything you had written, and it was some random scribbles. And you're like, I was writing something. And I'm like, this is good. Like, why are you throwing it away? And you're like, what am I supposed to do with it? I said, well, give it to me. So you're like, le jao. And I brought it home and I sat and typed out the whole thing on the laptop, 90s wala laptop.
Yes.
And then I took a
remember
print
that.
out of it. I went down to the shop, the Xerox wala shop, and managed to get a printout of it. And the next time I met you, I came and gave it to you. And I told you also, I think you're very good at writing. So I wanted to keep it. Bas, mujhe bahut khushi hui. So I was like, I was your first publisher also.
Yes, you were. I agree. And you also, by the way, have the honor of publishing my parents.
Yes.
While being published yourself. So we have a very
Yes.
interconnected history.
बहुत ही गहरा रिश्ता है. So I'm mentioned in Rajni's first book, and Rajni is
Yes.
featured with her parents in my first book.
Yes.
No, sorry, not a laptop. Correct. Thank you, Sean. Sorry. I was not as cool. I didn't have a laptop.
वो डैडी के ऑफिस का पुराना वाला कंप्यूटर वाज लाइंग हमारे घर पे.
The one with the TCP/IP connection which made those fearsome noises.
Yes. Okay, I can't do that. Okay, by the way, I had this really good memory. I was just thinking about all our memories, and of course,
Hi,
there are the
Aishu.
big.
Sorry, I have to interrupt you.
That's okay.
Aishu's my niece. She's joined all the way from Canada. Hi, sweetie.
Hi. So I have been hearing about Aishwarya for about 20 years. I think, is she 20 years old?
Yeah. So
Since she was a baby. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Since she was a baby. So yeah, she was the baby in our house
Her
for the
picture now
longest
looks like some
time.
supermodel or something. So
I
hello.
know. So beautiful, isn't she?
She is. Hi Daisy. Daisy's here as well. Daisy is one of my classmates from school who remembers
Okay.
me in my uncool avatar even before you did. But let's
Oh.
come back. Let's come back and talk about this. Let me finish, Navaga. You keep
Sorry.
interrupting me. So, of the many memories we have together, I have this one distinct memory of meeting in Shoppers Stop, Andheri. Why? Because it was a hangout place. और कोई जगह नहीं थी. So हम लोग मिलते थे Shoppers Stop Andheri. And there was only Shoppers Stop in Andheri.
Did it not have a cafe? I remember it having some weird memories of it having some cafe
So the
there. No?
cafe came up in the 2000s. On the first floor, वो एक छोटा सा in that staircase पे वहाँ पे इतना छोटा सा table, and you would have to sit on the stairs and have the coffee. And it was very sweet. That is all. And we'd go up to Planet M and listen, in the listening booths and all that. Because we were very
Planet M
cool
was
that.
damn cool. Yeah, Planet M was
It
one
was
of those
so
cool
cool.
places.
No, so I was meeting you there because our date was over there.
Yeah.
And usually when I met my other friends over there, and it was a usual thing, like a hangout spot for, penniless students. We would walk around the ground floor, which had all the jewelry and the dressing and all that. And I was like, no, Rajni is like super cool. She's not into all this girly stuff and all. So I was bent over the jewelry counter and looking at it. Nothing that I could afford, but I was just looking at that. And then you just popped up next to me, and I'm like, oh shit, she noticed me. I should have been waiting at Planet M and all. And you're like, no, carry on. What are you looking at? And I'm like, no, I was just looking at those rings. And then you lean over and you're like, I like that one. I don't like this one so much. And you gave me a very considered opinion on which ring you liked. And I still remember you saying there was one ring which had this dancing figure, like a line figure dancing, I say. And you're like, I think that one's really nice because I really like the flow of the figure in that, the flow of movement. And I'm like, whoa, okay, she looks at jewelry also.
New depths have been plumbed.
Yes, but you know something I realized? I think that is where we both connected on a love of design. I mean, we didn't call it design in those days, but
I know, but actually, Ramya was one of the first few people who was witness to my ranting, my absolute ranting when I used to see bad design in architecture or something like
yeah,
that.
we will
Oh
not mention
my
the name
God.
of the architect about whom
The
you
particular
ranted.
architect, but
And though
yeah,
I have never,
I mean,
I have never set foot in an architecture college. No, that's not true. I have eventually, but I know so much about architecture thanks to Rajni.
and I know quite a bit about the correlation between the music and maths thanks to Ramya, actually.
मैं भी सोच रही हूँ हाँ बोल correlation finish that sentence कितना सुना
Listen, you were the first one who taught me. I was saying that I had a block with numbers. Okay, so I remember saying कि मुझे numbers नहीं आता है, and the only way I could relate to numbers was if I gave them character. And I very distinctly remember. Yeah, I very distinctly remember describing each number with what character it was to you.
I remember we did this on the phone. I remember the house I grew up in, वहाँ पे being in the smaller room on the phone, like landline वाला telephone. I remember walking around there where you said this. I even remember the color of the phone. Oh my God, that memory! Wow.
Yeah, and you know what? Strangely, at that time Ramya was into numerology, and Ramya is, by the way, is in a lot of things. For the people who don't know, hi Charu, how are you doing? I miss you. I miss meeting up with all of you guys. So there was. So Ramya, by the way, the reason why the earlier story, to come back to why she picked up that piece of paper on my desk, was that time she was into graphology. Was that right, Ramya?
Yeah. Oh
Yeah,
God,
she
these are the
was doing.
embarrassing things that I don't want people
Yeah.
to find out about.
Yeah, so she was doing, so she was like handwriting analysis, and then that's when she picked up my handwriting, and it's like, "Nahi yaar, too many deep dark secrets. We do not want her to know what my true
See,
character is."
that was my version of why boys play guitar. You know, you get attention, you get a lot of
Oh,
attention when people find out that you know about either astrology, graphology, any of the ologies which are not taught in colleges. So no geology.
that's
What are the other
interesting.
ologies? Psychology. No, psychology, sociology, sab nahi.
No, no,
Graphology,
no.
astrology.
You know, now the ones that are, I don't know, the ones that are so far, uh, so far undiscovered. Let's say the correlation so far undiscovered by science. Let's just say, मतलब अभी दुनिया बहुत पीछे है, अभी तक हमारे लेवल तक
Correct.
पहुंची नहीं है टाइप्स.
Oh my God, Sean is talking about Sean. Okay. Uh, Golden oldie. Sean and Sean are
Yes,
both
yes, yes. Shan had a song called Loveology with his
ology, LOV,
with his
ology.
sister, with his sister. Yes, he
No, no,
did, he
no.
did.
His sister was not in that song. His sister was in another song.
Songs. No, it is there in this song also, I think.
No, I even
I
know
think
the song lyrics.
Sean will be the tiebreaker. He'll tell us now.
No, no. I even remember the song that his sister was in. मैं
अच्छा.
पहनूं डेनिम जीन्स तू पहने चोली लहंगा तेरे ये चप्पल कोल्हापुरी मेरा
हाँ.
इंग्लिश जूता महंगा.
मैं तेरे बिन, तू मेरे बिना, मुश्किल होगा अकेले जीना. कभी कभी हाँ प्यार में ऐसा होता है. That's the one.
Rajni, why are we singing love songs to each other? ऐसे जिंदगी में कभी नहीं किया.
I know.
Exactly.
What to do?
But yes, thank you, Sean, for that wonderful memory. On that note, should we tell people how we met?
Yes, 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 yes. That's an interesting one.
So, do you want to do the honors or shall I?
I think you say it better. I can interject with my 5 cents.
Okay. I guess, I mean, it's a very well rehearsed routine because we've done this so many times, but it actually did happen this way. So, 12th standard, like all good TAM kids, all good kids in today, I went for coaching classes. And there I met this one girl who's very nice, very sweet. I don't think she's in the chat today. I think she goes to sleep early.
Very
So
early. She still continues to be a good girl.
yes, she's very good. She's
Yes.
genuinely like a good person.
Yeah.
So for some reason, after we finished 12th and after we kind of struggled out of 12th and landed in that hodgepodge mess called degree college in Mitibai, she called me one day and she said, "You want to go for a movie?" I said, "Yeah." Because such cool things never happened to me where people ask me out for a movie and all that. And she said, "Okay, we will go on this day." And two other girls are coming. One of them is my friend from school, one of them is my friend from college, and you are my friend from coaching class. I said, "Okay." So I landed up at her place.
And by the way, she's the only one who will think of having these all together. It's like, with such a big
I
heart.
know.
Like, we should introduce each other.
Yeah.
She's that kind
No,
of really
absolutely.
sweet person.
Very, very sweet person. So I get to her place and it's already, I think the movie, we were going to Gaiety Galaxy for Tere
Yeah.
Mere Sapne. The original Tere Mere Sapne on big screen. And we get to her place and she's standing downstairs waiting for me. And I'm
Hi,
like, "Chalo,
Sush,
let's
how are you
watch it."
doing? So Sush is another friend. Oh, the person we have
Oh
talked
my
about
God,
has joined our room.
Good girl is here. Vandana is here.
Hi,
Yay!
Sush.
Vandana, we are just talking
Hi.
about you. Hi.
You're there in the story.
Yes, Vandana, how can Rajni and I have a conversation without you? Vandana, VP Narang, everybody here, please clap for her. Please send clap emojis because she's the one who made this conversation happen.
Possible.
So I go to meet Vandana. Vandana is waiting downstairs, tapping her foot, looking very impatient, and I'm wondering, why, kya hua? And she says, "Rajni is not here yet." No, she's not sleeping apparently, Sean. So she has decided to be a bad girl. हम दोनों की बुरी संगति का असर है. She's decided to stay up late and come in.
On a school night, on a school night.
On a school night. So anyway, then Vandana says, "Oh my God, this woman Rajni is always late, and she's not here yet, and the movie will start." And then she says, "Okay, wait, I'm going to go home and call her." Because remember, none of us had mobile phones. This was 96. So she says, "Yeah, let me go up and call her." I said, "Okay." And she runs up and she turns and shouts over shoulder, if Rajni comes, tell her to wait. And she goes and then I'm like, Acha, if Rajni comes, I'm like, wait, I don't know what Rajni looks like.
कौन रजनी
So
कैसा
chilling
रजनी
on the
मतलब
road, just like standing on the road and like, कोई तो आएगा, देखेगा कोई लड़की अकेले खड़ी है. Then one auto sidles up, you know, like those shady wale autos. And then one face pops out of it like that, like, you Vandu's friend. And I'm like, yeah. You're Rajni. And then Vandana stomps up behind me and she's like, you're late as always. And Rajni is like, yeah, come, let's go. So that's how we started. We get in and I'm a little worried because Vandana looks very angry. And Vandana is usually very, very calm.
very
and like, chilled
calm.
out.
Yeah, she's very calm. Hi,
I've
Meenakshi.
never seen her angry. And she's not talking to Rajni. So Rajni starts talking to me over Vandana's lap. Like beach mein, Vandana's sitting in between. And she starts, mujhe yaad nahi what we spoke about. And then at some point of time, we picked up that fourth girl who neither of us remember. We don't remember her name.
I don't remember her. I don't think even Mandu remembers her. It's like nobody kind of remembers her.
I'm sure. I mean, she is a valid person. Like, she has the right to exist.
Of
but,
course. But the
yeah.
thing is, I don't think we, I don't know, somehow the conversation that we had didn't seem to involve her. I think poor Vandana was stuck with having a conversation with her.
Yeah. And like, you shameless, you continued having a conversation with me because Vandana was not talking to you. Anyway, the movie starts.
Vandana was so pissed. So my standard reaction is, Acha, she's pissed. Let us not talk to her. Let's make polite conversation and pretend as if this whole thing has never happened only. It's like,
and in that polite conversation, Rajni happens to mention Pink Floyd. And I'm like, oh my God, somebody knows Pink Floyd. Hence, the music that's playing. And then we start watching the movie and I'm thinking, wow, she's like so intelligent and so cool and all. She must be one of those types who doesn't talk in movies and all. Except she is talking and she's talking to me. And I'm like, hey, so much fun is happening. And then suddenly the screen goes blink.
Yeah.
KT Galaxy ka screen goes blink. And I'm like, kya hua? And I'm almost expecting Vandana to say, तुम लोग दोनों बातें कर रहे थे ना इसलिए वो बंद कर दिया. And then Rajni looks at me and suddenly, and I'm almost afraid she's going to blame it on me. I had a lot of neuroses in those days. And then she's like, you know what we should do? There's a Meatloaf song called I Want My Money Back. We should stand up and start singing that. They're like, chal karte. And Vandana's like, no, please, you guys, don't do this.
If Vandana could disappear into the sofa, she would have done it then.
I think we would have done it. I think if we had known each other a little bit also, we would have both stood up on the seat and started shouting, I want my money back.
And you know who would have joined us? Prapti. Prapti was just joined us. Prapti would have joined us.
In the house. Hello. And my friend Anant is here as well. Hi, Anant. So that is really the story of how Rajni and I met.
Yeah.
As it turns out, the movie came back on. I think the projector guys must have heard us like, ये लड़कियां तो बात करना नहीं बंद करने वाली, अभी शुरू कर देते हैं, अभी तो गाना शुरू करेंगे, तो let's start. So that was a famous movie that had आँख मारे लड़का आँख मारे.
Correct. The original one, not the remake.
The original one with all the auto rickshaws in a row and the auto rickshaw orchestra, like pop, 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 pop.
Correct. I think that he was the best part of the movie. Arshad Varsi, I think, was my favorite part of the movie.
Same.
And it's so strange now. All of them are making a comeback now. Imagine we've been around for so long. People are making comeback.
Never left for him to make a. No, but Arshad Varsi never left.
Chandrachur and Simran. Simran made a comeback. Something to do with some serial or something.
Simran, like her career dipped in Bollywood, so she went down south early. And
and she's making a comeback in the south. I think she made some comeback in the south. She was doing something.
She's a big superstar in the south. When did she leave the south? Oh,
she didn't leave the south, but she's left movies. I think, I guess, to the usual path, married, bacha types, and then she made a comeback.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, like that. So anyways, we made a comeback, but we're still around.
Simran exists. Sean, you're really mean, okay? Yes, she exists. She's also a valid person.
She's a valid person, okay? How mean? How mean?
How mean? How very unwoke of you, Sean. Completely unwoke. So problematic of you, Sean. Really bad. So, on this note, Rajni, with all this chucha and all this faffing we've done, we have already hit 10:25.
Oh shit.
let us at least attempt to bring it back to the agenda. You had an idea, right? Rajni said, let's ask whether we pass the Bechdel test.
Yeah.
Raise your hand. No, you can't raise your hand. But post an emoji like a hands up wala emoji if you know what the Bechdel test is. Correct. This is even better.
One thumbs
Your
up.
opinion on Khuda Gawah. Khuda Gawah, I have actually not seen, though I know the. तू मुझे
अरे सुशांत सिमरन के बारे में नहीं पूछा, अभी बेकडल टेस्ट के बारे में पूछा, बता ना. Namita, you joined like late. Yeah, you come late to the party. Hi, Namita.
I also waved at her. Okay, nobody is interested in the Bechdel test, by the way.
Nobody
So apparently the
is
two of us
interested.
are super entertaining. But let us at least attempt. Okay, people in the house, and there are a lot of people here, by the way. Sean is the only one who's typing. I think Sean has this whole fastest finger first business, which is another
Yeah.
90s reference.
Correct.
But ta-da-da-da. Okay, no, that's not. Bechdel, I just know the name. Okay, so Rajni, do you want to do the honors and be the
No. Since you're leading it, you go, and I shall, as usual, interject.
please.
Give
Like,
my
I'm being the boring
five
one.
cents.
नहीं, please, अभी तुम बोलो. Like your turn to try and sound intelligent.
Acha, like that. So basically, let's not bore people. So basically, this is a woman who used to come up with some damn interesting cartoons, but it was named after her. And she claimed that any conversation in a movie or in a book, which between two women, which does not involve men, and in which these women have names and they have particular character traits, passes the Bechdel test. So,
I
and
think
you'd be really surprised to know that a lot of movies don't pass this test. You would
Don't
think
pass
it's
the
so
Bechdel
simple.
test.
It is so
In a
simple.
movie-
It is
Apparently, in a movie, it has to have at least one conversation between two female
least
characters
one. Yeah.
that is not about a man.
correct.
So, what do you think? Have we passed the Bechdel test today? Have Rajni and I passed the Bechdel test?
Have we? Oh, I like my
Rating.
raised eyebrow thing.
I can only raise this eyebrow.
Neetu knows. Neetu is actually a cousin of mine, and amazing. Like, she's one of those kick-ass chicks. You should meet her when she comes.
Very nice. I like her already because I'm greatly disliking Sean right now. Sean is saying no. I knew that was coming, Sean. You meanie. Sean is here only to derail the Bechdel test.
Ruchi's amazingly has agreed. Charu's agreed. See, they're all
No, but
nice
Sean
people.
is saying that we spoke about Pink Floyd also, which is true, but would Pink Floyd
We
count
spoke
as...
of Floyd as a group, okay? It's extremely sexist of you to assume we spoke of individual members and they happen to be male, okay, Sean?
It is not sexist. It is very groupist. It is very groupist.
We spoke of
And my
Floyd
friend
as a group
Shaunak
and
has
the
also
music.
come. My friend Shaunak has also come एकदम late, एकदम देर से. See, useless. Oh, the introduction story made you pass with flying colors. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhakti.
Thank you, Bhakti. We must connect after this. Okay, so we are now going to draw this to a close because नहीं तो Rajni और मेरी बातें तो चलती रहेगी. We have already had 3 conversations today, by the way, before this.
Which didn't end. Which we had to
Which
cut
did
short.
not end. Well, yeah, they kind of ended because Rajni goes like, "अच्छा 1 minute, I'll call you back." And वो नहीं हुआ, वो अभी ऐसे हो रही है. But
Yes.
with a lot of respect for everyone who has had to tolerate our screeching and screaming, we are going to close this very quickly. But before we go, Rajni, do you want to plug anything?
Yes, like Ramya mentioned, I've written 2 books, one for the grown-ups and one for the not-so-grown-ups. One is called The Mother of All Books. Both are available on Amazon. One is called The Mother of All Books, which is my hilarious journey through being a first-time parent. And the second
I
one,
mentioned in that book, by the way. I
Yes.
feature in that book.
yes, you do. And the second one is for the children in all of us from 7 upwards. And it's called Good for Nothing Boy. And if you have an Amazon Kindle subscription, it's there on Kindle Unlimited for free. You can read it for free. If not, it's there. You can read it on Amazon. It's there. Currently it's only an ebook. And very soon it shall be coming to another reading platform. Hopefully that should come on pretty soon, which shall be available across all schools. But in case you have little ones, or if you want to kind of have that really nice kick of nostalgia when you talk about what your school days felt like, please pick up the Mother of All books and Good for Nothing Boy.
So, by the way, Sean, both her books passed the Bechdel test, so no, you are not mentioned in the book. And from my part, I'm going to plug an Alphabet Sambar event that I'm co-hosting with my friend Chandrima. We are doing a session called Collateral Cast, where we are going to be talking about non-main characters, all kinds of narratives, and the characters who are standing behind the hero or the heroine. Alphabet Sambar is a writing community that I run. Rajni has been a part of it. She's helped me organize events as well, being a fellow moderator.
In fact, the first few chapters of Good for Nothing Boy, and they went through Alphabet Sambar, and there was a lot of suggestions that I took back from them, and they really helped me formulate the book, I must say.
So at least half the people over here are already part of Alphabet Sambar, and they have been cajoled into coming here because of that. But for the other half who aren't already there, Sunday's session is a discussion with anyone who's interested in writing. You don't have to bring a piece of your own writing, but if you're interested in this theme, then please sign up. The handle is Alphabet Sambar. I'm going to post. Anu is here in the house. So Anu, could you just maybe share the link or the handle at least in the comments? Anu is a fellow planner on Alphabet Sambar. So sign up, and I hope to see all of you there. And to everyone who's been, this is only the third time we've done this. So thank you Rajni for being here. Every Wednesday night I'll be here.
Always my pleasure, and I shall look forward to meeting more of your friends this way, and being introduced to more cool people. Of course,
next Wednesday again,
cool people. I'm including myself in the cool people list, whether you include them
Absolutely.
or not.
The coolest. So every Wednesday night I'm doing this. I'm having a girls' night, girl talk with people that I just like. So there is another exciting one coming up next Wednesday, but you'll hear about it on my story. So make sure to follow both of us. Thank you, Sean. Thank you. So Sean is a good hype man as well, in addition to being a troll. Do you know the term hype man?
No, actually I don't.
So hype man is someone who hypes you up.
Oh, it's like the wingman, but like...
Not a wingman, a hype man, just hypes you up.
Why not? Like, okay, you need somebody to hype you up. मतलब ये कैसा हुआ? मतलब कितना confidence?
I am my own hype.
I am my own hype man, ना ऐसा ना?
Same. But also, okay, 1 minute. Yes, Alphabet Sambar, the Instagram handle. Also, I do need to tell you about Sean. Sean teaches children acting, and he's responsible, among other things. He's responsible for all the Flipkart ads with the kids.
Oh, that is so cool.
He himself was featured in a bunch of ads. He usually plays this creepy, shady guy in the corner, but he's actually not like that in real life. So that's my glowing endorsement. Thank you for hyping. I will hype you right now.
End with singing a Tamil song.
Do we know any Tamil songs?
Can you handle my Tamil song? That is the question. Don't think you can.
I'm all for it. Let's do it. Except, do we know any Tamil song? The same Tamil song?
I don't know.
Chinna
know the... I don't even know. We can try.
Of course, Urvasi. Come on.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Go.
1, 2, 3. Urvasi,
take it easy, Urvasi.
Usi pola
உடம்பிருந்த
pharmacy
வாழ்க்கையில் வெல்லவே take it easy policy.
Okay.
I think this syncing is not happening.
Yeah, I know. We're a little off
yeah. But individually we sound great. I can tell you. I'm my own hype man.
Yes. We're like hype woman, Baba. So, girl talk, right? So, on that note, I'm sure you have things to do. I have some very unglamorous things to do. मुझे जाके बर्तन धोने अभी.
Yeah.
So,
we shall not talk about the unglamorous things I have to do. But yes. We shall not talk about
All
it.
right. On that note, thank you everyone. Wow, we have hit a record high, by the way. Rajni has told me that I'm not supposed to tell people on video how many people are in the room right now. So I'm not going to do that, but this is the highest we've been. And already the number is decreasing. So I'm going to say bye and end it here. So I leave with this like happy feeling, like dramatic exits.
Yes.
Bye, Rajni. Thank you for being on the stand with me.
Thanks everybody
Bye,
for coming
Prabhi.
and joining us.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, by the way, this video will be on my profile right after this. I'm going to save it. Okay? And yes, there's Anu posting the alphabet Sambar. Thank you.
Cool.
Check out Rajni's books and come back next Wednesday for another session of Girl Talk. Wow, I sound like a talk show host. Yeah.
Almost there.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.